Hello everybody, Uncle Michael coming to you from the Kwik field in Morrisdale, Pennsylvania. I am way up and over, y'all. Now, this little place here has everything a truck driver needs, y'all. There is a market right through there. Looks like it's got different stores. It may even have a little small grocery store. It also has a repair shop. Look at that. The truck is right there. Lots of fuel aisles and parking. That's not all. You got your scales over there. There's the fuel desk back there. And there's a restaurant inside. Full-fledged restaurant. And guess what the special for today is? Chicken and waffles. I'm tempted, y'all. I don't need the waffle, but I can use that chicken. So I might go in and ask for it. But how y'all doing? I've been up driving all day, getting it in, and I appreciate y'all stopping by to check on an old man. So yeah, that's what we got going on right at the moment. I think I'm gonna shut it down right now. I got about 2+ hours left to drive, but I'm gonna shut it on down. Yeah, see, they got flower shop, they got a market, yep, laundry, there is, looks like gifts and cards, hardware. What is that on the end there? Quite sure what that is on the end. Hold on. There's a bank. And there's a bank. Huh. Wonder what's in the market. I don't need anything. Okay. So, and a post office. My gosh. There's a post office here. So yeah. This is the standard for all truck stops, because not only does it have a restaurant, I'm going to show you in a little bit, but there's a hotel here too. There's a full-fledged hotel over here. So let's see, you can stop, get all your groceries, get all your fuel, get you something to eat. If you're doing your mini vacation, you can treat yourself to a hotel night and enjoy yourself. They got it all. And every truck stop needs to have this. If I hit the lottery, I'm gonna give me something like this. Like I said, it's got everything here. Okay. Got your fuel desk. I don't know what that is right there. And like I said, there it is. The Kwik Field Motel. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. There's Mabel over there. I wonder what's in the marketplace over there. Do I need anything is the question. Y'all know I'm nosy. Know if I should go over there and look around or not. body's tired, y'all. So how's everything going with y'all? Y'all enjoying your day? Are you doing something nice for folks? Hey, how about do something nice for your pets? Treat them to a little bit of special treatment. Now, I should walk over there and that. I have to get in my truck to see what I need, if I need anything. Okay, y'all. This was just a quick video, let y'all know where I was, what I'm doing. Glad y'all are correcting me on, look, I'm an old man. Sometimes I get my numbers mixed up, so appreciate you. Comments. Let me know what I'm doing, where I'm slacking. Appreciate you. So y'all take care of yourselves and each other. Love on yourselves and each other. And like I said, always do something nice, but make sure you do something nice for yourself. So we are going to sign off, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, and sharing these videos. We get subscribers every day. I appreciate y'all. So y'all take care. I love you. Ain't a thing you can do about it. And I'm gonna get some rest here in a few minutes. And if I go get that chicken and waffles, I will do another video and let y'all see it. Talk to you soon. Appreciate you. Love you. Ain't a thing you can do about it.